Do you want to make money by selling your images online? Do you want to know which websites enable you to sell stock photos? With this site, you will make money every time you sell images through stock photo sites. Once you've uploaded your photos to several photo websites and sold them, you'll be making money fast. You can make money from home and passively make money selling your photos. We will present the top 7 best places to sell photos online and make money doing what you love in this guide. 1. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a well-known and popular website that has paid out over $1 billion to photographers. You get 20 to 30% of the commission as a site contributor, you retain ownership of the photo as the photographer, and your name will appear alongside the images you sell. If you want to get your name out there as a photographer, this is an excellent place to start. Shutterstock also has an affiliate program that you can utilize to refer friends and family to. 2. Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is a trendy place to sell your photos online because you can sell them for free. You're not selling the rights to your photos, which means you can also sell them on other platforms. Adobe Stock is a great platform that helps you reach millions of potential customers. You can earn up to 33% commission on the photos you sell. If you already use Adobe Lightroom or Adobe photo editing software, you can upload your images or videos directly to the Adobe Stock platform. 3. Getty Images. Getty Images is a stock photography website hosting more exclusive content. Brands love to get their stock photos from Getty Images. The platform has more than 1.5 million subscribers, which means a lot of potential customers to sell your photos. If you want to be a contributor to this platform, your photography skills must be above average. You can earn 20% and up to 40% commission on the images you sell. 4. IStock Photo. IStock Photo is part of Getty Images, where you can upload your photos and sell them to the public. Their commissions range from 15% to 45%, depending on how many images you sell. If you sell your photos exclusively on the IStock Photo platform, you get a 25% to 45% higher rating. 5. Dreamstime. With Dreamstime, you as a photographer get 2,550% of your income. With more than 20 million unique monthly visitors to their website, many potential customers want to buy from you. Also, you still own the copyright of the photo. When you have earned $100 on the platform, you receive your money directly into your bank account. If you decide to sell the exclusive rights to your photos to Dreamstime, which means you don't share your photos on other platforms, you get a 5% bonus on your commission. 6. Etsy. If you want to sell your photos online, Etsy is the perfect platform for that. It's easy to set up your shop to start selling your photos quickly. Whether you are a professional or a beginner, this platform is for you. Etsy has a large audience, and many people browsing Etsy are ready to buy. You can sell your digital images, but also items like printed matter. Commissions on Etsy are very lucrative. They take 5% of the transaction price, plus 25 cents plus 3% if you decide to accept online payments through the Etsy platform as well. Etsy is no ordinary stock photography site selling stock images. With Etsy, people come for unique photos. 7. Depositphotos. Depositphotos is a global marketplace where you can sell your photos to people in over 200 countries. The platform has more than 150 million images from 100,000 contributors. International companies such as TripAdvisor, Forbes, and Warner Brothers, they use their archived photos. As a contributor, your payout depends on the reviews on the platform and your experience. You earn between 34% and 42% commission. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.